कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Da ka jing tmu banwan ra ya ka jing shai shaki Shnong ki thau u Sanjay Kumar Agarwal u balong ku chairman jong ka CBIC ulawan ban play ya ki solar light kabala panyo shaki South Li ki Shnong kini ki Shnong ki balayo padang ya ki te ki solar light ki kin thup ya ka Shnong mau jrong light so plya so ra rem bat ka Shnong mau kodong kani ka project ka Hapoh ka initiative under Swachh Bharat mission labai tingkaru ya kani ka project ha ka jinglot ka bakot khandai lak tingka ha kini ka singi lawan bani don lang MLA ka sora constituency ba given milliam haringkat bat kirang wa Shnong jong kita ki South Li ki Shnong haringkat ba ki pa ba nong Shnong
Point for Dimpep village. Okay. So 49 lights and we have done it in a record 14 days. Okay. So right from the project approval right up to execution till today. So 14 days.
That is really wonderful. Yeah, really wonderful.
All the guidance of Madam Commissioner and a team of work hard for this.
And the sanction from Delhi. So we hope to work in close contact with more of the state government agencies and maybe bring more light into many other villages as and when time goes by for us. If you have anything in particular, then you can always feel free to contact our office, the office of the Commissioner Customs, and then we carry it forward from there. We are always looking for ways to have outreach programs with the people of Meghalaya.